guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. Balance is as important for a ballerina as it is for a tango, bachata, salsa dancer. So today I'm gonna give you 4 exercises for beginners that are gonna help you not only with your balance throughout your dancing, but most importantly, turns and spins. So stay tuned, follow along. Alright you guys, before we move on with the exercises, it's important that we know a few things. So it's going to help you not only find but also keep your balance, okay? So first thing, we need to know how to find our center of gravity. Okay, so pretend there is like a cord coming out from the top of your head, and then there's one end right here. The second end is coming from the tailbone. Yes, so imagine someone is pulling that cord to create a really nice straight line. So right now we're here, pull the cord from the two ends, and it creates a really nice straight line with the spine. Keep your knees a little bit relaxed throughout the exercise, just to prevent any injuries. Yes, so do not lock your knees, keep them a little bit just relaxed, okay? Not bent, but relaxed. The number 3 is find a focus point. Am I saying it right? Because sometimes I don't say it right, and you know it can sound not so good. All right, so those are the 3 things. Finding the center, 2, keeping your knees relaxed, and 3, focus point. All right, let's get going. Keeping your ankles together, place your weight on your left foot and lift your right foot off the floor. Try to hold it for 10 seconds and then switch. Again, with your weight on the left foot, you're going to hover your right foot and point forward, side and back, creating little triangles. You're going to do that 5 times, going from front to back, back to front, and then we're going to switch to the other leg. If hovering your triangle leg feels a little bit too challenging for you, you have the option of keeping your leg just touching the floor with little taps. Front, side, back, back, side, front, and so on. Next exercise is releve pulses. Placing your weight on your left leg and keeping your ankles together, you're going to push up and up, putting your weight only on the ball of your foot. Do that for 5 times and then switch. Next exercise is releve and hold. So put your weight on your left leg, releve, and try to hold your releve for at least 5 seconds. This one is a little bit challenging, so don't give up. Alright you guys, are you tired? I know. Tomorrow is gonna be even worse. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, don't forget to share it with your friends. Remember, it's just for beginners and it's going to get just better. Also, if you did like my video, please don't forget to show some love by liking and subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. Thank you guys. See you next time.